Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today we will start our class with the alphabet song. Let's start.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Now, can you tell me which letter comes after J?
K.
Correct. Now we will learn the sound and the words start with the letter K. Let's start. See, this is capital K. This is small k. K sounds K. K, king.
K, king.
K sounds K. K, kite.
K, kite.
K sounds K. K, kangaroo.
K, kangaroo.
K sounds K. K, key.
K, key.
K sounds K. K, kettle.
K, kettle.
Okay children, I hope you have enjoyed and learned something from today's class. We will meet again in my next video. Bye bye.